has been 2 years and 3 months since COVID-19 started the whole world. Since then, every country has made their own effort on how this virus will be controlled. Let's trace back how COVID-19 pandemic began.
According to the South China Morning Post, a 55-year-old individual from Yubin province in China may have been the first person to have contracted the virus. That dates back to November 17, 2019. Scientists suspect that COVID-19 originated in a bat and somehow hopped to another animals which then passed into humans. The disease is now spreading worldwide, and as of January 31, 2022, confirmed cases of COVID-19 have passed 324.7 million globally.
One of the approaches to mitigate and control COVID-19 pandemic is through vaccination. Vaccines contain weakened or inactive parts of a particular organism or antigen which triggers our immune response within the body. A vaccine can confer 2 types of immunity, active and passive immunity. Active immunity occurs when our own immune system is stimulated to attack pathogens. Passive immunity, on the other hand, occurs when antibodies or lymphocytes are already made by an animal or human donor. COVID-19 vaccines help our bodies develop immunity to the virus that causes COVID-19 without us having to get the illness. Currently, there are 3 main types of COVID-19 vaccines that are approved or authorized. These are messenger RNA vaccines, vector vaccines, and lastly, protein subunit vaccines. Getting vaccinated against COVID-19 can lower your risk of getting and spreading the virus that causes COVID-19. Vaccines also help prevent illness and death.
The Philippines has started the COVID-19 vaccination on March 1, 2021 using jobs donated by China. Dr. Gerardo Legaspi, the director of the Philippine General Hospital, was the first to receive the Philippines' first shot of the coronavirus vaccine. Frontline health workers were identified as the priority group to receive jobs. Next in line were the indigent senior citizens, remaining senior citizens, indigent population, and uniformed personnel. According to the data from DOH, as of February 2, 2022, Philippines has administered total doses of 127,617,088 with the following background. The government is really doing its best to encourage everyone to get their jobs for them to have their protection against the virus. For there is no specific time when this pandemic will end. With the combined efforts of everyone and His Almighty, these too shall pass.